All right, let's talk about turning all this AI hype into actual cash. Today, we are breaking down a step-by-step blueprint to get you earning. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just a straight, clear path to making a real income. Let's dive in.
I mean, seriously, you can't escape it, right? Everyone is talking about AI. It's on every news channel. It's all over your social media feeds. The hype is absolutely everywhere. But here's the real story. For all that talk, very, very few people are actually putting money in their pockets with it. There's this huge gap between the conversation and the cash. And you know what? Today, we're going to fix that. So what if I told you that making this much every single day isn't about working harder? It's about working smarter with the right tools. And yep, that's our target. That's right, $100 a day, using nothing but the power of AI. And look, this isn't some far-off dream. It is a totally achievable daily goal with the strategies we're about to break down right now.
So here's our roadmap. We're going to cover 3 core strategies. I'll reveal the secret sauce that makes it all work, and we'll finish with one simple, clear step you can take the second this is over.
Okay, first up, the visual content empire. This is probably one of the most direct ways to start earning, and that's because the demand for this stuff is absolutely massive. Think about it. Businesses, creators, entrepreneurs, they are all desperate for high-quality thumbnails, social posts, and logos. The kind of stuff that used to take a skilled designer hours to do, you can now do it in seconds. And what's so cool is how easy it is to get started. You can use tools like Midjourney or the new Canva Magic Studio to generate incredible visuals, like almost instantly. Then, you just take those skills over to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where the clients are literally lined up and waiting. And the math here? It's ridiculously simple. Let's just say you focus on YouTube thumbnails. If you sell just 5 high-end thumbnails at $20 a pop, bam, that's your $100 right there. The AI is doing 90% of the heavy lifting. You're just providing the final touch and the direction. All right, let's move on to strategy number 2, the faceless YouTube method. This one is perfect for anyone who likes the idea of creating content, but, doesn't want to be on camera. You don't need a fancy mic, you don't need a camera, none of it. The whole process is basically a simple 3-step loop. First, you use an AI like ChatGPT or Claude to whip up a really compelling script on a topic that's trending. Step 2, you pop that script into a tool like ElevenLabs to generate a super realistic human voiceover. And third, you use platforms like InVideo AI or Sora to create all the visuals. Easy. Now the key here is just being consistent. If you upload regularly, you build an audience, and that's when you start earning that sweet, sweet passive income from YouTube's ad revenue and affiliate links. Seriously, one viral video could easily make you way more than $100 a day. Okay, our third strategy taps into one of the most valuable skills in the business world, writing. So, welcome to the world of AI copywriting. Let's face it, companies always need good writing. We're talking email campaigns, blog posts, ad copy. This is a constant, high-paying need that just never goes away. And the speed you can work at now is it's wild. With an AI assistant like Jasper or ChatGPT+, you can bang out a 1,000-word SEO-optimized article in under 10 minutes. Just think about the sheer volume of work you can deliver. But, and this is a huge but, so listen up. Here's the pro tip. You cannot just copy and paste the AI output. That's not the game. You use the AI to build the skeleton, to get the bulk of it done, and then you come in and add your unique voice and your personal touch. That combo of AI speed and human quality, that's what clients pay a premium for. So, we've gone over 3 really powerful strategies, but honestly, none of them are going to work unless you understand the secret sauce, this foundational principle that makes it all click. And here is the absolute truth of the matter. AI is a multiplier, not a magic wand. If you put in 0 effort, guess what you get? 0 results. It can only amplify what you put into it. It can't create value out of nothing. So this is the main takeaway. Your goal isn't just to use AI. Your goal is to use AI to provide real, tangible value that people are more than happy to pay for. The AI is the tool, but you're the strategist. And what does that effort actually look like? Well, it can be as little as 2 hours a day. Seriously. If you commit to just 2 hours a day to really master these tools and deliver value, that $100 a day goal, that becomes your starting point, not the finish line. Which brings us to the final, and I think the most important part. It is time to go from passively learning to actively doing. It's time to stop scrolling and start earning. So, I gotta ask you straight up,
Are you ready to start? Are you ready to take that first step and actually turn all this information into real income?
Okay, here's your mission should you choose to accept it. Pick one, just one, of these 3 methods. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one. And start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And if you're serious, comment START down below. I'll take a look and maybe do a deep dive on whichever method gets the most requests. And of course, like and subscribe for more strategies like this. Thanks for hanging out. Now go get started.